We've been spending a lot more time at home, and that has definitely led to a lot of DIY projects. Well, some of you may be wallpapering your rooms. We just wallpapered my daughter's nursery and had a lot of wallpaper left over. So for those of you that have those extra scraps from those DIY projects, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can make home decor that matches your rooms that you just wallpapered. So we're going to get started with an entertaining tray. This can be one you purchase or maybe one you have at home and you're going to upcycle it into something new. So I've got this white tray here. You can go any size that you want. And it's as simple as laying it on top of your peel and stick wallpaper or your traditional wallpaper and measuring to make sure that you have the right size. I prefer using peel and stick wallpaper for my projects, but if you use traditional wallpaper, all you've got to do is use a paper glue to glue your wallpaper into whatever project you're putting it on. I do like peel and stick because you can reposition it as needed. Pull off that back, and if for some reason it's crooked, just pull it right back up, line it the way you need it to, and then use a credit card or some type of card that you have to scrape it and get out all of those bubbles. And then maybe you change your mind and want to redo it next week or next month. You can always pull that wallpaper right back up. But I don't know about you, this looks like a really nice, expensive piece of home decor. Check out how it looks styled in my living room. All right, now remember I just said that we created my daughter's nursery. She's 1 month old, and we went with a magical theme using turquoises and pinks. So I got this extra side table that I know she'll want to play with, and I'm going to pull off the top of it. Now, traditionally, it's like this, but because I took the top off, I realized I could use it like a tray. So the same thing, I took our extra wallpaper, traced a circle on it, and then we're going to just put this right on the inside. And again, if you don't have peel and stick and you have regular wallpaper, no problem. All you got to do is use an adhesive that matches the surface you're working with. And then again, use a scraper or some type of card to be able to smooth out those bubbles. Put it back on the table and check out how cute it looks in my daughter's nursery. All right, last but not least, this one's a little bit more crafty versus DIY. So I have a wallpaper here that is very floral print, right? And there's lots of different floral pieces in this paper. So what I did was I actually took a scrap piece and I cut out those flowers from it. Took a shadow box, so a blank shadow box, put a picture of my mom and my daughter in here, and we're gonna make this as a birthday present for her. So I took these individual pieces of flowers that we cut out and just peel the back off of them. Again, if you're using regular, you can use a adhesive that will work on the surface you're using. And I'm just gonna put those right on the frame, and we have a really cute gift that you can give to anyone that's a great keepsake. Easy ideas, maybe even think about doing a shelf or other pieces of home decor. Happy crafting!